What's up, guys? This is a video that I never released. It's back when we owned our old boat and we completely redid all the topside paint and the non-skid paint. So if that's what you're interested in, here's a 10-step process on how to do that. Kind of resealing the windows. They were terrible before. They didn't leak, but there was just like stuff all over here. All right, we are going to be finishing some sanding today. One of the steps in repainting the whole boat. So it's cold and windy today, but it's one of the few days I have to get out here and get this done. So I'm going to start with some 120 and then work it down to 220. The cockpit's a lot harder than I thought it'd be. Just a lot of angles, little by little. You got to pay your dues to keep your boat in good condition. So all part of the process, I suppose. All right, starting to sand all the current non-skid on here. We're putting Kiwi Grip on. Got 100 grit on there. I'll go down a little bit more if I need to. Probably not so worried about it on the non-skid, but everything that we're painting, I'll probably go down to 220. About done with the sanding. Get all this stuff wiped down now, spray it off, and then wash it really good. So I'm gonna make sure just one more time, just double check I got all the sanding done, and then wash it. And then tomorrow, de-waxer agent, so we'll apply that. All the products that I'm using are from Total Boat. Just bought them on Amazon. So I got the wax remover, the primer, and the topside paint. Those are the 3 products we're using. Today we are starting the de-waxing process. So I'm gonna go through, wipe the whole boat down, de-wax it, come back through with a dry rag, de-wax it again, wash it. From there, I think it'll be ready to prime. All right, just finished de-waxing it. So put one layer on, de-waxing, then went back through with a dry rag, wiped it all off. Now I guess the next step is to rewash the whole thing. Running the power from the boat, hook it up to our pump here. You drop this pump in the water. For anybody wondering, we use this biodegradable boat wash. We're not messing anything up. Full day of priming the boat. It was not fun at all. I don't know, maybe Kinsey enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it?
This is what Will said. I'm painting, and I said, oh, this is kind of therapeutic. And he's like, I would rather be shoveling heavy rocks into a barrel all day than do this.
It's true.
I'm like, that's a little excessive.
No, I would rather do like hard labor and tedious painting all day. Good for me is we get to do it 2 more times. So tomorrow we got to sand the primer and then put the first coat of actual paint on. All right, second morning working on the boat. We're gonna put on the first coat of the topside paint today. So we're gonna go and do a light sanding, scuff up the primer, and then put the first layer of the topside on. Quite a bit of frost on it this morning, so I'm not sure if that's gonna be an issue or not, but we're gonna try to wipe it down and get it dry before we start sanding it. Just finished wiping all the dew off the boat, letting the sun kind of dry out whatever's left, and then we're gonna go through Scotch-Brite pads, scuff up all the primer that we did, and put the first coat of topside paint on. Hopefully before it rains. All right, what's going on?
So we're just sanding a little bit of the whole boat before we put our first top coat on for the paint, or our first layer. But some spots are a little bit harder to get with the sandpaper, just a little uneven, so I'm going in with a harder grit and trying to smooth everything out before we start painting again.
Yeah.
Got the cockpit all done. First coat of paint, we got a little bit towards the bow of the boat, but we have to be able to tarp it because there's weather coming in, the winds are picking up, and we just don't want to ruin what we've accomplished already. And so we're gonna call it a day, let this stuff dry, and then tarp it, and hopefully attack it again tomorrow. It's a little disappointing. We want to just get the whole thing done. But it is what it is, you can't control weather. Hopefully the final day painting the boat here. I got like another small window of weather here to put the second coat on. Hopefully that's it. We still have to do the Kiwi Grip, so the non-skid on top. That shouldn't be as challenging as the paint has been. It's been a interesting project, but it's looking awesome. The boat has kind of come alive again, so